Hey petrolheads, today we're gonna look at Citroen C6 as an investment opportunity and its chances to become a demanded future classic. And first of all, one question: what do we love Citroen cars for? First of all, I believe their special way and special view on what is a cool car. Back in the days, all Citroen cars were extremely unique. We could say it about any model of this brand. Maybe the Citroen brand was the most unique brand on this planet, at least in the automotive industry. All cars made by Citroen in 90s, in 2000s and earlier, of course, had a very special design, very special interiors, and also they invented a lot. For example, they invented a hydroactive suspension, and it was a really big thing and a game changer. This hydroactive suspension was a feature, was a technology that you could choose a car for. There were nothing like that on the market. And of course, the 20th century were great for Citroen brand. And what is Citroen now? Actually, it is just another brand owned by Stellantis. Nothing exceptional, nothing unique, no more hydroactive suspension. The last car was Citroen C5. Was it an outdated technology? No, it is in common use in Mercedes, for example, also in some Chinese cars that presented as a revolutionary technology, a new technology. No, it is still very useful technology, but expensive to install and to produce. So Citroen just don't have money to do it, and is just another brand. But when did the Citroen legacy end? From which car? I truly believe that it was a Citroen C6, the last unique Citroen. Presented in 2006 and in production for 6 years until 2012, this car was the last try of Citroen to compete with big German brands. And previously, in 90s, this competition was successful for Citroen. But Citroen C6 was a disaster for the brand. They lost the battle with BMW, Mercedes and Audi completely, because there were only 23,400 units of Citroen C6 produced for these 6 years. And for example, just to compare, BMW 5 Series of E60 generation, they produced about 200,000 cars each year. But there is a common thought that you shouldn't compare yourself with your competitors, you should compare it with your previous results. And here also I have a data, because for example Citroen XM in production from 1989 till 2000, there were more than 330,000 units produced. Just compare these figures, 330,000 and the next generation 23,000. It's more than 10 times drop in sales. Extremely bad results. These cars wasn't demanded for the first-time buyers and also wasn't demanded on the used car market at all. Because, for example, they lost more than 50% of their value in just 3 years. And yes, it wasn't successful for the brand. However, it made this car extremely rare. And that's an investment opportunity for the car collectors, of course. Preparing this video about Citroen C6, I firstly thought about this model as about just forgotten car among car enthusiast community, like a lot of cars, but that are real gems and really interesting to buy right now. However, I was wrong. Because in the last few years, the prices for this car already started to increase, and it's a huge increase. Because, for example, nowadays in Britain, you have only 5 cars for sale, and the prices for a good condition starts from £5,000. Yes, it wasn't a popular car in the UK, because it was only 1,000 units sold there. However, if we look at German market, for example, there are more cars for sale, but there it is extremely hard to find something good for 5,000 euros. And some examples with extremely low mileage, you can find for over 30,000 euros. Of course, it's not those prices that you can really sell the car for, as I see it at least, but it really shows us that there is a huge demand for such cars. They are rare, they are unique, they are the last legacy of Citroen. And today you can find such car for less than 10k dollars, euros, pounds, and it would be with the mileage less than 100,000, maybe closer to 50,000, and it would be a great deal. This car for sure will be demanded. And nowadays it is the last chance, as we see here in the prices. Probably it is the last chance to buy one of those for cheap, because they already started to increase in price really seriously. Just for you to compare, if we have a look on Peugeot 607, for example, the car from its time, but not that unique, obviously, you would find a lot of cars in immaculate condition, almost immaculate condition, very good condition, you can call it whatever you want, but you can find a very good car for less than 5k, but it's not like that with Citroen. And if you are watching this video having this car, please don't use it as a daily. Just put it into the safe place and you will for sure earn some money on this car. I'm talking about those cars with really low mileage, extremely good condition. Of course, if it's already worn out, then you're good to go and do whatever you want. But let's save these cars for history. Maybe sometime in future we will find some cars from Citroen, some exciting cars, unique cars. Because, for example, as for Citroen C6, they produced the second generation in China. It was dead in Europe, but they presented the Citroen C6 of the second generation in China. But it was just a Dongfeng car. There was nothing from Citroen there. And maybe in 10 years we will see the rebirth of this brand, because it was extremely good, extremely interesting to see, to discuss, to drive. And yeah, sad news once again. But still, I want to focus you on this car, just for you to know that there is a rising star on a collectible market. And thank you for watching. See you soon. Alright, now if you click one of these two videos, I hope you will enjoy them as well. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, it supports it a lot.